Horticulture. The Horticulture Program allows students to pursue an interest in the major areas of horticulture. This program covers the following major areas: turf grass establishment and maintenance, where you will learn about planting and maintaining lawns; landscape design, where you will learn how to design attractive landscapes made of plants, walkways, walls, and water features like ponds; greenhouse crop production, where you study greenhouse structures and growing greenhouse crops; and floral design, where you learn all about arranging flowers, houseplant care, as well as floral shop practices. Students in the Horticulture Program gain valuable experience by landscaping the grounds of the student-built house project, assembling floral arrangements, working on community service projects, and engaging in the production of bedding plants each spring. As members of FFA, all horticulture students have an opportunity to participate in career development experiences and learn more about the horticulture industry through field trips and special events. After completing the program, students are prepared to become a nursery worker, floral designer, horticulture grower, greenhouse grower, or a landscaping worker, just to name a few exciting career paths. Further education may lead to additional employment opportunities.